Hi guys, so I finished one part of my competition. So if you guys want to see it, it's the next part of the video. And this is the shirt I got, of course. You guys saw that you guys are gonna see that in the video. And
Alright, right here I just messed up, so don't think what I'm saying. It's this whole video's not even gonna be live. Not only just 2x2, this whole video. So just don't listen to that part of it, okay?
I got some of it messed up, but here it is.
Hi guys, so right now I'm doing my first round of 2x2, as you can see. No, I'm not. This is pyramids, not 2x2.
Well, at this time I got a 7 or an 8 or a 9 or a 10 or an 11 or a 12, 13. Well, this was pyramids, so this wasn't that bad. This is my next one. It's also pyramids. 5. That's the worst, don't count. And then the average is the middle one. So that one was a 12.98. And then starting with the next one, this one was blocking it. And of course I didn't. So that person did. The one blocking that camera. So what I got was actually not that bad. A 14. Of course, yeah. This was also scary. I don't know. This one was really, really bad. This one was the worst one, and it did not count. So it was a 22. So yeah, that one was really, really, really. Yeah. So I know. 22.34, and I almost got a +2. I messed up in the middle. I'm sorry if this video is too long for you, but yeah, this is what I've done.
How do you think?
Yeah.
The last one was the best.
Yeah, I don't know my average.
The average, I think, is about 14 seconds. Is that average, or is that better than you at home?
First two were both.
You wait over there.
Go find mom.
Alright, so this is 3x3. So what we're doing here is, so right now I'm doing 3x3. I'm not that good at 3x3. I'm in my low to high 30s. So yeah, just watch the rest. They took top 48 for finals. I did not make it. I got 61. And on pyramids, yeah, no. So right here, I did not. 2x2, I did make it. They took top 36. I got 31st. But in finals, I got better, and I got a 29. 29th place. You guys might realize something that just happened. I almost dropped my cube. Pyramids, I don't know how much they were taking, like 42. I got like 45th or something, I don't know. Not that good. I got a +2. If it wasn't for that +2, I would have gotten it. And I got a 38. That's pretty bad. That might be my worst one, but I don't know. Alright, on to the next one. I don't know what I got for this. I just got a C now. I know what you're thinking. I was there on what day? I forgot. But the next one is, so I got a 33, sub 33. So this person, I don't know him, the judge, but I feel like he's colorful pockets. I do not know though. I feel like he is colorful pockets, but at the same time, I don't think it is either. He looked at my PL. I did a T-perm, and it was a T-perm, and he was like, do you know full PL? I'm like, no. I just know the T-perm and J-perm and A-perm, and that's all. Sub 35. Back to this person, this judge. And sub 34. So yeah, so I'm done with 3x3. Bye. All right, guys. So starting with this one. So right now he's just playing with his ski. I don't know him, but the person in the blue shirt now out of the screen. But that person bought Mega Mix and a Square One. He does not know how to solve any cube, but his brother Ryan does. This is me trying Ready Cube. I'm just like, what the frick is this? Because I never touched one before. He has a GAN 460 and yes, the person behind me is Ryan, and he can solve a 3x3 faster than me, but not Pyraminx. So this is our first one, so 2x2. What you guys want? So I got a 6.1. It wasn't that bad actually. This guy, I don't know if he's sponsored by the Cubicle. I don't know. I feel like I've seen it on YouTube before. 6.07. Not that bad. The person next to me got a +3. You can see that. I got a 7 exactly on this one. I was super surprised. And he just put it down to 7. I'm like, oh, well, I don't think that's a thing, but sure. This one, actually, that's my friend from church. He's way better than me. He goes on stage with well, I'll just say it was my best one, and it didn't count, but it was sub 5. Yay! Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. This was my first competition. Yeah! So, of course, if you want more videos like this, please leave a like down below and chat in the comment section or whatever. And I will be pinning. And so this is a comment contest. Let's see. Here's a contest. I have put in all of my videos an Easter egg. So if you guys can figure out when I started cubing, and if you get it right, your comment will get I will reply to your comment. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and bye.